Bombela Fanatics here at Nyamazane Stadium, and I'm your host, Limpo Mukhale. MFC, Mpumalanga Derby, between Kruger United and Catholic Stars has wrapped up. Kruger United prevailing by 3-2, defeating Catholic Stars, and now I'm joined by Ses Maria. Ish, man. I guess hard here, man. Ngiyakubona now. Lobuhlungu bakho budlulela kakimi. Budlulela kakimi lobuhlungu. Manje ngiyakubambisa namnyana. Ses Maria, kwendakaleni?
Our strive.
Oh,
Then
man.
we lose.
From Kandiabele.
Come on, Fethu.
Oh, man.
Kubuhlungu, mara it's fine. It is what a fair game. Like it can be fair. Like ibe fair sibonile sonke like angeke sicomplain akukho wrong. Okay sikubonile kube fair.
Ses Maria nisuka kwaNdebele come la kaNyamazane all this way like likazi. Performance ebafana. Bafana lesikhathi seqala igame bafana bathola bendele mistake laba indawo goalkeeper babuyisa bafana coach Mthembeni ngiyambona uyasukuma come on man uyanibita mafeni
Senzani like thina guys to be honest size sazi ukuthi sine 3 point yethu nasiza nje sazi vele ukuthi siphethe 3 point yethu esandleni yabona fair enough akwenze ngendlela esifuna ngakhona yabona yeah we have to accept and move on.
Ses Maria kulesimo nyalo esentibeke kusho nyalo sokuthi ngihleli ku number 1 mara ngihleli nibuke so Ses Maria ubuke 4 uhleli 4 Ses Maria sekumele uminyele labanye Ses Maria nina nibalandzeli bayi Catholic Stars nisuka kwaNdebele kunento even njalo ukuthi senihleli njeke botsotsi ukuthi niyabuka ukuthi noma kunini la noma kunini
to be honest sihleli si happy la sihle khona ne mara sinethemba ukuthi there's no going back. Asibuyele move. Njani? Spirit nzima guys like serious. Ufika la sikhona. Like sebenze nzima.
Ses Maria 2 seasons solo man Ses Maria. Nina nibalandzeli beCatholic Stars. Kunento even njani ukuthi liqembu from the get go livele liyasuka liyo contender kuba number 1. Unlike other seasons. La nethi la senilwela nethi nifike kungena ama playoff. Uma ngena ama playoff. Eish. Angathi kuma playoff nina nibalandzeli beCatholic angakumbe senishilo nathi ma playoff aswafuni
there's no way
akaze kwalunga kuma playoff man akaze kwalunga nina bafethu
no yazi kuba buhlungu khona sihambe sisebenze tough sithi nasifika phambili nje sino you understand kuthi abalandeli sinofisa ngathi singabuyele emuva but thina njengoba siloyal siyazama ukuthi sistick we have hope yes ne hope ukuthi one day yeah ngihlala njalo ngihlala njalo
Ses Maria sesiqoqoda kubalandzeli beCatholic Stars nabo bafana beCatholic Stars lana coach Mthombeni njobe siyathi ukuthi kunaleli thandvo the bond between iqembu nawo ama fans iqinile ngiphi message yona kubalandzeli bayo labasuka kwaNdebele nabo bafana beCatholic Stars badlala na coach Mthombeni
yabalangisa abafana bami ngendlela abayichuba ngayo abayibambe like bangafili small ukuthi okay fine siluzile this time sihlezi like siluzile amanye ama game but we movile forward saqhubeka understand so now into message ngibapha wona ukuthi bangalahli themba like impilo yonke yaphambili one of the good days sizoya phambili thuba bomthombeni ngendlela sibambe ngakhona ngendlela abamba abadlali ngakhona one of the good days uNkulunkulu uzomsiza sizofika la siya khona thank you
Ses Maria ngibonga kakhulu
ngiyabonga.